Welcome to your first day of learning for the 2020 school year for digital applications. This is a dual credit class for Ivy Tech. It can be taken as dual credit or just regular credit, so depending on how you want to take this. So I'm going to go through the website real quick. This is the main page, what your main page is going to look like. Like for you to review the course syllabus, and you'll be able to see the course requirements. You can click on the preview and preview that right here. All that information is here. If you can scroll through and see what we're going to cover, it goes over grading, that you're going to have quizzes, discussions, quizzes, assignments, a final project, midterm, final exam based on Ivy Tech requirements. Here's a breakdown of all the stuff. So you can take a look at that and let me know if you have any questions. Down here is August 11th module, which you're already in. And this is a sample of how things will be set up to click on and submit things. So this is dealing with Excel. So the digital applications course covers Windows 10, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access, how to use those files in everyday life or in business, and how to make them work and be beneficial to you. So real quick, just to look at the module, click on modules. Here you have your daily instructions, is where you'll see this video. Today's assignment is e-learning activity, Wise Computer Science for Everyone. So on this, you'll go in the assignment, and let's open it. There we go. It's going to open up. Here's the 4 questions you're going to answer. So you're going to listen to the short video. There's 2 of them. This one is 2 minutes. That one's 10 minutes. So you got about 12 minutes of videos. And then it should take you less than 15 minutes to answer these 3 questions, or around there. So the goal for every day is that you have 30 minutes of homework for each of your classes. And so your homework for this class includes 12 to 13 minutes of video, and then 15 minutes of answering a question in a text entry. Okay. So then after you submit that and you click next, you're going to have an attendance quiz. Please mark true to be counted present. Attendance is a must. More important than so back in the fall or in the spring, you've got to get your stuff done by 11:59 tomorrow on Wednesday night. This is due by 11:59, so get out and get your work done. And then you have the completion page. So every day you're going to have at least these 4 things. So you have your daily instructions, some sort of video or me talking, or you're going to have an assignment. Then you're going to have a attendance quiz and a completion page. So make sure you're going through this every day. There is a textbook required for this class. It wasn't included because it was added late in the middle of last year through Ivy Tech. I will send you the information. You can do a digital copy, or I had some kids in class last year, and I'll try to get those books from them, and you can get them at a discounted rate. And it's just, I'll post that stuff in your email so you can find that. I think I got mine for $40 off Amazon, and had it in a couple days. You won't need it for a week or so, or a couple weeks. And if you don't have it yet, I'll have it. I'll find a way to get you the information. So please look through the syllabus, go through today's instructions, and look forward to seeing you guys back as soon as we have students back in the building, which is around, right now the goal is around September 8th. So make sure you're staying on your stuff, getting your stuff done, and good luck.